Hi guys, and welcome to the next video. Today's video is about long exposure photography with the Mavic Mini. The Mavic Mini has a fixed aperture of f2.8. Because this cannot be changed, you will need to purchase a set of drone ND filters to reduce the exposure by several stops. In the DJI Fly app, ensure Photos is on and select manual exposure. Set the shutter speed to 1/5 of a second. This is the longest shutter speed you can have to keep the still items sharp whilst blurring the motion. Select 100 ISO to reduce any noise and overexposure. The choice of ND filters will depend on the lighting. For the images in this video, an ND32 was used.